Thanks for stopping by. This is July 25th, 2025. There was a previous video here, the one previous to this one. In particular, that kind of goes through some of the more details of what I just did. This is a pickup on that reel, and what I did was I took some code from calendarsnack.com in the RSVP button area for a particular MLB game. I copied that API code into a Mailchimp template. I designed a Mailchimp call to action button. I named it "Click here to get a calendar invite for merch at the game." I inserted the game data, and then I replicated that call to action button down here. So I have two buttons running. Now, what happened when I sent it out via the campaign engine at Mailchimp, I received your email is sent. That's the next logical step. And then what I have here is the test artifacts of that send, meaning that this is the real campaign here. It's live. It was sent to one of my test emails, greg@techvader.com. So here we go. This is what happens real time. When you click the get the calendar invite, we say the calendar invite is on its way. And then we put up here in this nice banner, Brewers versus Marlins, MLB round 18. We say the start of the game, and we say the calendar invite has been sent to this particular email address, all automated, in this upcoming landing page. Now, what I'm going to do is click a couple more buttons here and get a couple more calendar invites, because what we're doing is dragging along all the game data. You'll see it over here in this page here as I scroll up and down. That means in my account over here under View Events, if I go to the 25th, I have all this game data in here for the 25th and beyond. We drag all that game data here, and what you're going to see is I have the ability to click some more buttons along the way and get more calendar invites if I want to. So here we go. We're going to take a peek. Here's the original one. I'm going to say yes to that game. I'm not sure about these other two, so I'm going to go into them and say maybe. I'm going to say maybe this one. And then that game data here for the Brewers, if I type in brew in our little search edge here, you'll see that I have a couple invites here collected. And in particular, that game data is coming from these two people here. In particular, this one here I've highlighted as Greg. I'm going to go in as Greg here. Let's see what Greg did here. He said yes. I'm going to say maybe, and you're going to see this data here change on this screen to 1 accepted, 1 tentative. This should go to 2 tentative here real quick, and there we are, 2 tentative. So we're collecting this live data from these calendar invites downstream, and that's the end of the demo. Thanks for stopping by.